Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be talking about how to drive an automatic transmission car, and at the end I'll be sharing a safety tip that could help you to save your transmission in case of automatic. Without a further ado, let's get started with the video. So on your gear knob, you would be able to see four modes: P, R, N, D slash S. So we will discuss each and every mode of your transmission in detail. So let's get started with the P mode. So P mode stands for park. So when you are finally parking your vehicle, this is the mode you keep your vehicle when you are ending your journey. In order to shift gears, there is a small button on your gear lever, and it helps us to change gears. So whenever you are changing from park to any other gear like reverse, neutral or drive, so at that time you just need to press this button and press the brake and shift. So now it shifts to the rear gear and or I would say reverse gear. As you can see, camera has turned on, and once you want to press it again and shift it to neutral, and as you can see it shifts to the neutral, and again if you want to move it to the drive mode, you can shift to drive with holding pressing this button. You must be wondering why we have this specific uh, pattern here, like N is in between reverse and drive mode. So simple logic between this is, when you are on drive and you stop at a red light or somewhere else, you can shift into the neutral and pull up your handbrake, and similarly it applies to the reverse as well. So that's the reason we have neutral in between. So when you are done with your journey, you simply shift it to the park, and there's a shift lock inside the transmission that locks your vehicle rolling back, and it keeps in the park position. So now the safety tips associated with this park mode and that shift lock is that when you are parking your vehicle, you firstly move to the N and engage your handbrake and turn off your vehicle and shift it to the P mode, and you can leave your vehicle. So with this simple trick, your vehicle will be held by this handbrake and there will be no load on your transmission. This way you can save your vehicle's transmission from premature failures. So this was it for this video, and I hope you guys like this video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.